solar energy and water energy are existent in our lives. They contribute to the development and maintenance of human lives and have a many important applications, especially as an energy source that creates electricity. Solar energy often use solar cells to convert sunlight into electricity. It has an almost endless source of energy, depend on sunny area and has a high installation cost. Water energy use dams and water turbine to convert the energy of moving water into electricity. It depends heavily on area with a lot of rain, mainly river and lakes, and has a low operating cost. So it's used quite often. They are to expand score of energy. We must know how to use and protect them.